In this video, we will show you Omnisend versus Mailchimp. If you guys want to get started with either Omnisend or Mailchimp, you can use the links given down in the description. Firstly, we talk about Omnisend. Omnisend is a marketing automation platform that specializes in omni-channel marketing for e-commerce businesses. It allows businesses to create and automate personalized marketing campaigns across multiple channels, including email, SMS, push notifications, and more. It creates and sends personalized email campaigns, newsletters, and automated workflows. Users appreciate Omnisend's user-friendly interface and easy setup, especially for beginners in email marketing. It tracks the performance of your campaigns with detailed analytics and reporting tools to optimize your marketing strategies. It divides the audience into segments based on behavior, demographics, purchase history, and more for targeted marketing. A few customers feel that Omnisend's pricing can be on the higher side, especially for businesses with larger subscribers list or those looking for more advanced features. A few users have reported challenges with integrating Omnisend with other platforms or systems, leading to some technical issues. Now we will talk about Mailchimp. Mailchimp turns your emails into revenue. It is the #1 email marketing and automation platform. It converts with email automation, creates faster with generative AI, and refines with segmentation. Mailchimp also optimizes with analytics and reporting. You can get started easily with a personalized product tour. The pricing plan of the Mailchimp is premium, standard, essential, and free. It has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy for beginners to get started. It set up automated email sequences for welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, and more. It offers a free plan with basic features for up to 500 contacts and 1,000 email sends per month. The scalable pricing is based on the number of contacts, with additional features unlocked at higher tiers: Essentials, Standard, and Premium. You can visit the Mailchimp website and you will be able to see all the reviews by its customers. You can sign up or log into Mailchimp by adding a username or email along with a password. So, that is Omnisend versus Mailchimp. Make sure to use the links given down in the description to get started with either Omnisend or Mailchimp. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.